Welcome back, everyone. This is Resourceful Marcus. In this video I'm going to show you how I'm going to save this Shop Vac filter, clean it up. Disgusting Shop Vac filter right now. I just cleaned it a few days ago, but gotta clean it some more. Just bear with me because I gotta set things up. Alright, you gotta see what I'm doing. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it very much. Pause for a moment. I gotta set some stuff up. I gotta set my compressor. Alright, so sorry about pausing the video. Anyways, I'm gonna take this Shop Vac filter and clean it out, and this is how we do that. This is how I do it to keep this filter lasting for quite a while. A lot of people just take them and chuck them out. No. Got my compressor running. Alright, I gotta grab I got a little brush and garbage bag. Okay, now I'm going to start doing what I got to do to get this filter clean. In here, what I'm going to do is take this little brush here. See, brush this off like this. Do that. It's nasty. Nastiness. Sit this over here so you can see this better what I'm doing. Disgusting how it is. Anyways, I take this like this. Brush it off first. Try not to breathe this crap in. Sorry, Fitty, watch. Doggy. Brush most of it off. Nasty, nasty, nasty. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the filter off. There's that little knob where you unlock it. Unlocker. Okay. And then take this off like this. It's okay, honey. And set this up over here like this. Sorry for the shaky camera work. It's kind of windy today. There's probably some noise in the background from the wind. And now I'm going to take this and I'm going to tap it on in the garbage bag like this. You can see some of the dust is coming out. I'm scared to tap the filter like this. Okay, Fitty. Good puppy, good dog. I know. Okay. Yeah. So that's that. Dust on my jacket. Coming dirty, Resourceful Marcus right now. All dust. Okay. Just gonna pause for a brief moment. I gotta grab a tip for my compressor. Alright, I'm back. So now I got my tip here for my compressor, blowgun tip. This one I got a Princess Auto years ago. It works really good. I'm gonna start blowing this filter out. So I'm gonna blow the outside a little bit first. I'm not gonna blow it like this. I'm gonna blow it on an angle so it doesn't blow the dirt in. Inside the garbage bag. As much as I can. Nasty. doing that, it's going to help this filter a lot. Let the compressor build up pressure. Turn my pressure up on my unit a bit. I'm going to turn it to over 100 psi, and I'm going to blow it from the inside this way, blowing more of the dirt out of it. Now I'm going to take it and blow this way like this inside here for this filter, for the Shop Vac, your Shop Vac filter. Watch, buddy. The doggy wants to get right in there and help me. See all the crap coming out. Crap coming out. So most individuals wouldn't even go through this. They wouldn't bother to do this. They would just throw it away, and I'm not doing that because this is money. These are pretty pricey. You can get them on Amazon. They can be pricey. It just takes time. I appreciate you watching the video. Thank you very much. Trying to get most of this debris in here. I'm going to turn the pressure up on this pancake compressor even more. I'm going to turn it to max, 150 psi. Wait till my unit's done running. I'm going to take it right up to 150 psi max. Still some stuff stuck in here. I accidentally got this filter a little wet. That's no good. That's what you don't want to do. Maybe even bang it some more like this. You see debris coming out of it. Compressor's still running, gotta wait till it stops. Alright, 150 psi I believe. I think I'm gonna turn it up to that. That's what it's at. Alright, I got it at 150 psi. Watch my eyes. Watch your eyes, sweetie. My doggy. Really bad. humidity out of there. Salvaging the filter. Got this filter wet, and that's why it's so bad. These, you don't want to get these filters wet. Like I say, most people would just throw it out, right? Throw the Shop Vac filter out and be done with it. But yeah, we'll get her. It takes time, that's all. Money is time, time is money. Either way you put it. Thank you for your patience and watching along with me here. And a little puppy. There's my baby. That's my baby. Hey, honey. Alright, now I'm blowing it from the inside again, inside the filter, blowing it outward. Banging it. Come out. My own fault because I got the filter wet and you don't get them wet. When they get wet like that, then you get all kinds of junk stuff. So far that pancake compressor's working pretty good after I tighten that stuff. There's some fittings I might have to take that thing off again and take and seal them with some type of a sealant threads in the future. Okay, honey. Okay, sweetie. Yeah, it's my own fault. I let this filter go pretty bad. That's why it's taking me quite a bit to clean it out. We're getting her. Just gotta be patient, that's all. Like I say, a lot of people would just take it, throw it in the garbage and buy another one. I try to get as much use out of these as I can. And then I buy another one. I have an extra one that I'm trying to get as much use out of it as I can. I don't know if you can see the inside. The inside is clean. And I'm blowing it in on the inside to get all this out of it. it's pretty much got it. Yeah, it's pretty bad. She'll work good now. You'll notice when these are really clogged, then your Shop Vac don't work as good. Like I say, I let this one go pretty long before I've done this. It's been a while. Anyways, hopefully this helps you with your Shop Vac filter. Instead of throwing it away, reuse for a few times, and then eventually down the road, then you gotta, just try to use it as many times as you can, right? This is Resourceful Marcus. Thanks for watching. See you next time.